Are you ready to explore business objectives from an ethical perspective? This video will delve into how ethics shape goals and operations in organizations. Discover the role of integrity, responsibility and sustainability in achieving business success.
Understanding the key terminology is crucial in grasping business ethics. Terms like integrity, transparency, and sustainability often surface. These concepts guide how businesses interact with stakeholders. They also influence decision-making and strategic planning. Grasping these terms helps in understanding ethical business practices. They foster a culture of integrity and responsibility. Ethical business practices go beyond legal compliance. Businesses aim to operate sustainably and transparently. These practices impact stakeholders and society positively. Understanding this relationship is key to ethical business operations. Business objectives often focus on profit and growth. However, ethical perspectives ensure these goals respect moral principles. Objectives should contribute positively to society. Ethical considerations include integrity and transparency. They also encompass sustainability and fair treatment of stakeholders. Integrity and transparency build stakeholder trust. Honest practices lead to accurate reporting. Open communication is crucial in business ethics. Ethical businesses prioritize these values. They ensure all operations are transparent and trustworthy. Sustainability is a key ethical consideration. Businesses should reduce their ecological footprint. Responsible resource management is crucial. Investing in sustainable technologies benefits the environment. These efforts align with ethical business objectives. Fair treatment is essential in ethical business. Stakeholders include employees and customers. Fair wages and safe conditions are vital. Non-discriminatory practices foster trust. Ethical marketing ensures honest customer relations. CSR aligns business goals with societal values and enhances reputation. CSR is integral to ethical business objectives. It considers societal and environmental impacts. Companies engage in philanthropy and community efforts. It enhances reputation and manages risks. CSR goes beyond profit maximization. Long-term success is linked to CSR practices. Engaging stakeholders is crucial for ethical decision-making. CSR fosters better relationships with communities. Ethical practices build customer trust. High-quality products and honesty in advertising are key. Protecting customer privacy is essential. These practices foster loyalty and satisfaction. Ethical businesses thrive by prioritizing customers. Ethical businesses create positive work environments. Fair wages and safe conditions boost morale. Opportunities for growth enhance satisfaction. Employee retention improves with ethical practices. Productivity increases in such environments. Investors value ethical business practices. Companies with strong ethics are seen as lower risk. CSR initiatives attract responsible investors. Ethical practices enhance company reputation. They contribute to long-term financial stability. Ethical businesses contribute positively to communities. Job creation and local support are key aspects. Philanthropic activities enhance social welfare. These efforts build strong community relations. Ethical practices benefit both businesses and communities. These actions protect the environment and align with ethical goals. Businesses thrive by prioritizing sustainability. Shareholder value is influenced by ethics. Compliance with standards protects value. CSR enhances reputation and investor confidence. Sustainability attracts responsible investors. Ethical practices ensure long-term shareholder returns. Profit maximization must consider ethical aspects. Sustainable practices may raise short-term costs. However, they lead to long-term savings. Ethical sourcing stabilizes supply chains. Compliance avoids costly penalties. Transparency builds trust and loyalty. Sustainable products attract conscious consumers. Respecting human rights appeals to ethical customers. These considerations enhance brand loyalty. Ethical treatment of employees is crucial. Fair wages and growth opportunities matter. CSR involvement enhances recruitment efforts. Training programs boost satisfaction. Ethical practices lead to organizational success. Ethical practices enhance competitive advantage. Unethical practices have severe implications. Legal penalties disrupt operations. Reputation and trust are damaged. Profitability suffers in the long term. Ethical practices are essential for stability. Ethical trade promotes fair treatment. Compliance avoids legal penalties. Designing ethical processes builds integrity. Responding to ethical pressures is crucial. Reporting demonstrates commitment to ethics.
In conclusion, ethical business practices are integral to achieving organisational objectives. They shape interactions with stakeholders and the wider environment. By prioritising ethics, businesses ensure long-term success and make a meaningful contribution to society. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact us via WhatsApp on 074 8436 1688.